Okay, taxes are rarely an issue that people want to talk about, but since we all have to pay, you should know where your money goes. The town of Castle Rock has multiple sources of tax revenue. The two most common, though, are sales tax and property tax. The fact is, the town of Castle Rock has one of the lowest property tax rates in the state. On a $373,000 home in Castle Rock, the town's portion is around $35.74 a year. So why is the rest of the bill so much? Here's why. Your annual property tax bill pays a minimum of 5 different entities, including a small amount to the town. The Douglas County schools, county government, and libraries also take a share, and many homeowners also pay Cherry Creek Basin and Cedar Hill Cemetery taxes. The rest of your property tax bill is determined by whether you live in a Castle Rock Metro District. These districts collect taxes for public infrastructure that benefit homeowners in that specific district. They're all different. For instance, Plum Creek and Red Hawk do not have Metro District property taxes, while most other neighborhoods do. Generally, the money from property taxes accounts for a little more than $1 million of the town's total revenue budget. Now, sales tax. The combined sales tax in Castle Rock is 7.9%. Of that, the state of Colorado collects 2.9%, Douglas County collects 1%, and the remaining 4% goes to the town. Compared to other cities and towns nearby, 4% sales tax is more. However, our property taxes are substantially less. Here's why our tax system is structured that way. Only Castle Rock residents pay property tax. But everyone who spends money in Castle Rock, and that includes visitors and tourists, they all pay sales tax. The town benefits from everyone who enjoys and spends money in Castle Rock, and that gives our residents a tax break. So, shop local, support your town and local business owners because their business supports our town.